Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. This nightcap is a little bit of a mix-up. I've lost some video that I was going to put in part 1. Well, I've still got the video, but I've lost the edited version. So basically I'm going to put part 2 up, which has still got some interesting bits in it. In part 1, I'll put up tomorrow night, if you understand what I mean. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is the draw for the bore gauge that Bob kindly donated. I'll have a look in the bucket and see what we've got. Right, here's the one. Right, the name I've got is James Woodend. Right, James, all you have to do is send me an email with your address and I'll get that posted off to you straight away. I'm going to do another giveaway. This time it's for a little Mercer dive test indicator, a 10th graduated one. It's the one Bob's had away and done up. I'll get a close up of that. This is the little Mercer indicator. See, Bob's had it away and cleaned it and set it all up, ready to go. It's also got a back mount on it as well. Quite a handy little piece of gear. As usual, if you want a chance at winning that, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and all I need is your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes in the bucket. If it's drawn out, you win the prize. Your name stays in the bucket until it's drawn out, or until I'm not doing this anymore. Anyway, you need to send your name in the once. I bought this barbecue a couple of years ago at a farm auction. It's Deb's annual barbecue tomorrow, and I'm going to use this. But that base piece is absolutely rotten. That's a bit that lets the air come through. I've done a quick sketch and I'm just going to cut one out of 3mm plate on a plasma cutter. That's the sketch there. The holes are in no particular place. I just dotted the holes round. 15mm holes. And I've welded a couple of lugs on so it won't move around. And it simply drops in there like that. Ready to go. To put some more strength into the sign, I've got some 3/4 by 1/4 milestone flat bar I'm going to drill it and put some countersunk screws in, probably every 6 inches, top and bottom, and fold it right around the end, just to put a little bit more strength into it, because it's actually supported on the one end. I've had a little bit of rive in it, as you do, and the brace joints do feel good. But just to make sure, I'm going to screw that onto it, and then it's got every chance of surviving, I suppose. I'll mark this, drill it, countersink it, and then drill and tap into there, probably 6mm. I think I've got some 6mm little countersunk cap head screws. Put them here side of the weld for a start off. One there, one there. Still using the cheap and cherry Bangor drills. They're doing alright. I did see how I'd use the tool and I reviewed, just so it's got a sort of follow on, see what it works like. You should pull it there quite nicely. I'm just going to drill and tap these freehand. I could put them in the milling machine, but the job's sort of getting a little bit out of hand now anyway. I'm going to use a 6mm clearance drill just to spot the centre of the hole. And a 5mm tapping drill. This is no fun. I've got a few of these bastards to do as well. Very carefully with the machine tap. They're going in nice and flush. A little bit of fill on there and some black paint and nobody will know. I've got some pipe fittings here. I've had these made. A friend of mine did them for us on a SNNC machine. That actually was somebody else. The problem with them is that gap there, he's made a 2.5mm, which is exactly what the drone said, but it should be 3mm. So he's asked me if I can open that gap up to 3mm. Now luckily for me, my Banggood parting tool is a 3mm parting tool, so it should be quite simple just to eyeball that and whisper a little bit out just to bring out the 3mm. Just make sure the parting tool is nice and square to the workpiece, which is fairly simple to do. Use a collar chuck so I don't damage anything. Right, so basically I'm going to line this up by eye. I'm actually looking for the viewfinder on the camera because it's quite well magnified there. That looks good. So I'm just going to gently turn that in till it gets down to full depth. Just going to take that little rag off, just that little sharp edge with a little bit of Scotch-Brite. I can find the bastard stuff. So very, very careful doing this, running near that shop. No jewellery, no rings, loose sleeves, nothing like that. No swearing, right? Edward.